recipe calls for 1/3 teaspoon of green chili powder. I have 1/2 teaspoon. How many batches of my recipe can I make? This is an example of 1/2 divided by 1/3. And we'll want to show our answer using a math drawing. So we'll want to look at what does a teaspoon look like. Both our 1/3 and our 1/2 is of a teaspoon. So our whole is a teaspoon. We want to be able to see the 2 parts of the 1/2 quantity, and want to be able to see the 3 parts of the 1/3 quantity. So we'll be making a teaspoon that consists of 6 boxes. So 6 boxes is our teaspoon. And we're asking ourselves, how many 1/3s are in one half. Now, to solve this problem, what we'll do is we'll take the fact that the figure in the bottom is cut into 2 pieces. So we'll take each piece of our first quantity and we'll cut that into 2 pieces. So we're going to match the cut marks. And then originally this 1/3 quantity was cut into 3 pieces. So we'll cut our 2 pieces in this image each into 3 pieces. So we're taking the cut marks from one and putting them onto the other. We originally cut figure A into 3 pieces and figure B into 2 pieces. So then we took each piece of figure A and cut it into 2 pieces, and each piece of figure B and cut it into 3 pieces. Now we can see that we have 3 pieces that make up 1/2 teaspoon, and we have 2 pieces that make up 1/3 teaspoon. And what we're getting is that we have 1 whole and a half. So we have the ability to make 1 1/2 of this shape out of this shape. And let's see if our answer through the standard algorithm matches. So the standard algorithm is the invert and multiply algorithm, or the keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction. We we change the operation and we flip the second fraction. And now we multiply across the numerator and separately across the denominator for the result of 3/2, which is 1 1/2. Another way to look at this is to say that in image B, this is what we have, and in image A, this is what we need. And if we form a fraction of have over need, then we have 3 parts. We need 2 parts. And again, we end up with 3 halves recipes. So we've matched our math drawing with the standard algorithm.